And at the end of two very long corridors here at the Thistle Heathrow, we come to room 280, which is our room for the night here. And the door will normally open by magic. When I say it's at the end of the corridor,
it's literally.
I'm not kidding. So let's come into the cubby hole, sorry, the room.
Breathe in.
And yeah, thanks for coming to the room tour.
Yeah,
This is
the highlight is the shortbread that's over there.
yeah. So this is a double room.
It's a normal, just a standard.
Just a standard double room. It's not the biggest room we've ever had here.
No, we have. I mean, this is the type of room we do normally stay in. But the last time we were here, we were kind of spoiled because we got an upgrade to like a
suite.
2-bedroom thing. So we had a room for the cases and then a room for us.
Yeah.
And a corridor.
Yes. But let's talk about this room. So let's go back. Let's go and see why there's
I'm back.
Let's go and talk about why there's a special place in hell reserved for the people who design the bathrooms here. If any of you like a bit of space and comfort for your toilet, this is not the hotel room for you. Danielle, please sit on the toilet.
Wait, I don't think I can sit on this lid. Oh, I can.
Okay. How's the door for company, Dan? Let's just come inside for a second and show how much space there actually could be. Hello, dear viewer. So,
I mean, it's still not.
When you've actually kind of got down and sat down and... So, yeah, thanks, Dan, that's...
Demonstration.
Yeah, right, let's take a step back out so we can once again see the actual bathroom itself. The shower, actually, I will say, looks a lot newer than when we were in this type of room before. These are all fresh tiles from what I can tell, because it's a different design to what we had in November. You don't think it is?
No, based on the fact that it's chipped and it's cracked. These are not new. And the one we had in November was just a standalone cubicle shower.
That flooded.
So it didn't have this anyway.
The main perk of staying here is the parking. Let's just get that clear now.
Yeah, at least we've got a plug this time.
That's true, yeah. Plug. It is a bath, by the way. Dan, would you mind standing in the bath to give people a representation of what a woman at 5'4" looks like in this shower?
It's very high up. This is new. This is a new shower curtain. 100%.
And now, Dan, is that a bath mat there?
Oh, you can tell this is a bath mat though. It's...
This is now a 4-year running joke. You right there, Dan?
It's got a mark on it.
No, right. So anyway,
Oh, okay. Just got my feet on it.
So there we are with the bath mat. Right.
Takes up the whole floor.
Right. Out here, there are.
Oh, God.
Dan's just falling out of the bath. Tea and coffee services here, as well as a shortbread biscuit each. Couple of glasses if you want water. Dan, would you kindly open...
I'll open this one. I'm going to have to move space.
Yes, you are. So you know that game, not like Tetris, where you have to move things before you can get anything else open?
So these are technically, like, this is separate. But you've got your extra towels, the iron if you fancy doing some ironing.
Safe, innit?
A laptop size safe. It is large. Safe.
And then, yeah,
Some hangers.
obviously that didn't fancy hanging on too long. I'm pretty sure that's not meant to... Anyway.
I don't think that's going to do. There's a screw missing, that's why.
Right.
Same.
Anyway.
So that's going to be like that.
And then, behind Danielle is the bed.
It is a very large bed. It's a king size.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot that this is not a comfy bed.
Do you need help?
My back hurts.
Would you like to do the Bernie test, or is that a me job?
I can do a Bernie test. I've not done
So,
a Bernie
would you
test.
like to categorically state that this is the hotel 3 years ago where this began?
Oh yeah, but none of you were here, sorry.
So I said to Danielle...
No, it wasn't here.
It was here.
Was it? Was it not?
No, it was
in
here.
21
No, it was here. It was here because we were in the room before we flew to California, and I said to you, does this hotel allow pets? And you said, I don't know. Why? And I said, because I don't think there's enough room to swing a cat in here.
I mean,
Now-
there is, but I did
now-
have to move to do it.
Now, hang on a second. Let's now do this with me
What if I
swing.
do it this way?
Probably not right. Let me try swinging Bernie.
It's poor tail.
I know, it's poor tail right. I'm sorry, buddy. That lampshade's in serious danger.
Oh, Bernie. 5 out of 5 landing. Well done, mate.
So that's the room tour.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for coming.
TV, obviously, behind.
Oh, cobweb up there.
Oh, no. TV. But there's TV, massive TV. That's about it, really. I mean, it looks over onto the car park for a stunning view.
Yeah. This is not where we parked our car. We are
We're in car park A.
that way. No, that way. Sometimes you get a good view of some planes.
I'll be dreaming about this.